G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and this week I've got the fantastic Wurth WTech coil insert assortment. So let's have a look what it is. So firstly, it comes in the fantastic Wurth system case. Now, WTech coils are thread repair. So if you damage that thread in the workshop, with this kit you've got everything there you need to repair the thread. So the inserts come from M5, M6, M8, M10 and M12, and they come in three sizes or three lengths, so you can put the right insert in for the right amount of thread. Of course, the kit comes with everything you need, the coils of course, and they are A2 stainless by the way. Now we've got the drill bits, we've got the taps, we've got the thread insert tools and also the tag break off tools. So let's now go have a look at how they work. So now we've seen how the WTech coil repair works. I just want to recap. So this kit has all the metric products you need. And it's a must for every workshop because everything's right at your fingertips. And of course, there is nothing in this kit that you can't reorder. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page, and this kit is ready to work.